The Nautilus Bun is probably the most popular long hair bun. It is popular not only at long hair community, but it is also the very standard bun used by long-haired Indian ladies. So you will see it recommended a lot. I don't think that it's called that, but it's definitely the same style. It is also frequently confused with a lazy wrap bun, and I guess they come out pretty similar at the end, but they just start in very different ways. So some people are able to do the Nautilus with no pins at all. It's fast and it can hold your hair with nothing. No elastics, no pins, no hair stick, nothing. It doesn't hold mine that great that way, so I usually put a hair stick through it. But I think that's what makes it so popular. Alright, so we're going to grab it from underneath, twist a loop out, leave enough loop because we're going to use that. I just want to pause for a moment to say you can twist this either direction, whatever's comfortable to you. Just make sure that you wrap the hair in the direction that's not going to unravel the loop that you just formed. So that's why I twisted it this way, because wrapping my hair in that direction is more comfortable for me. Later, and then wrap around the excess, then take the loop and pull it over what you just did. The more you can push this through, the better it's going to hold without pins. But I never find that mine holds at all. I don't know why that is. I don't actually do the Nautilus very often, but I know it's one that's, like I said, super popular. So I like to throw a little hair stick into it. There you go.